Hello, Habos, and welcome to your go-to guide for mastering one of the most classic and useful wired setups, Roban Johnson's signature bop stack. Have you ever wanted to easily move a user from one spot to another with a simple click and a command? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down how to build this essential tool for managing games, events, or just having some fun in your room. First, let's go over the toolkit. We'll explain all the required wired Fernie you'll need to get started. Part 1. The required wired Fernie. To create our BOP system, we need two main stacks of wired. The first stack is all about selecting our target user. For this, you will need one wired variable, user variable. Think of this as the system's memory. It's used to store the name of the Habo we want to move. One wired trigger, user clicks user. This is our trigger. It activates the wired stack the moment you click on another user's avatar. One wired condition, group member. This is our permission slip. It ensures that only members of a specific group, like your room admins, can select a user. One wired selector, users with variable. This box helps the wired identify exactly which user has been stored in our variable. One wired effect, give variable. This effect assigns the variable to the user you click on, officially selecting them. And one wired effect, remove variable. This is important for clearing the selection, making sure you don't accidentally bop the same person later. Now, for the second part of our setup, the stack that actually moves the selected user. For each location you want to send a user to, you'll create one of these stacks. It requires one wired trigger, user says keyword. This is the magic word. When a user says a specific phrase, this trigger fires. One wired condition, group member. Just like before, this ensures only authorized users can use the BOP command. One wired effect, move user to Fernie. This is the action piece that teleports the selected user to a chosen piece of furniture. One wired selector, users with variable. Again, this is used to target the user who has been tagged with our variable. And one wired add-on, movement physics. This add-on gives us precise control over how the user moves, allowing them to pass through obstacles. And, optionally, one wired add-on, animation time. If you want to customize the visual flair of the movement, this add-on controls the transition speed. Got all that? Great! Let's move on to the fun part, the configuration. All right, let's bring this system to life. First things first, we need to define our variable. Find your wired variable, user variable box, and double-click it. A configuration window will pop up. In the variable name field, type player selected. You can leave the value field blank. Under availability, make sure the box for while user is in room is checked. This tells the wired to remember the selected player as long as they are present. And remember the golden rule of wired. After every single configuration, don't forget to hit that Ready button to save your changes. Configuring the first stack, the selection. Now let's build our selection stack. Place the following 5 boxes on top of each other. Wired trigger, user clicks user. Double-click this box. You'll see an option that says, Do not open avatar menu. For this setup, you'll want to uncheck this box. Hit Ready. Wired condition, group member. Open this up. You'll be prompted to choose a group. Select room rights or any other group you want to grant bopping powers to. Click Ready. Wired effect, give variable. In this window, click the drop-down menu and choose our variable, player selected. Set the delay effect to 0.5 seconds. This slight delay helps the system run smoothly. For the variable destination, make sure you select the clicked user. Now, hit Ready. Wired effect, remove variable. Open this box. Again, choose the player selected variable. Set the delay effect to 0 seconds. For the variable source, it's very important that you select Use Users from Selector. This ensures the variable is removed from the previously selected user when a new one is chosen. Click Ready. And finally, Wired Selector, Users with Variable. Open it up, choose our player selected variable, and hit Ready. And that's it. Your selection stack is now live. When an authorized user clicks on another Habbo, that Habbo will secretly be assigned the player selected variable. Now, it's time to create the stack that will send our selected player to their destination. Stack the following boxes together. Wired trigger, user says keyword, double-click to open. In the What is said field, type your command. Let's use :bop. For choose type, select exact match. This prevents the trigger from firing accidentally. Click Ready. Wired condition, group member. Just like in the first stack, select the group you want to have BOP privileges, such as room rights. Click Ready. Wired effect, move user to Fernie. This is the most detailed one. First, under If the user was walking, select Stop walking. Next, click Select Fernie, and then click on the chair, tile, or any other furniture you want the user to be teleported to. Set the delay effect to 0 seconds. Leave the target Fernie to set to Use picked Fernies. Crucially, for the moving user, select Use Users from Selector. This tells the effect to move the person we tagged with our variable. All set? Click Ready. Wired Selector, Users with Variable. Open it up, choose our player selected variable, and hit Ready. Wired Add-on, Movement Physics. For the final touch, open this add-on. Uncheck Keep Fernie Altitude, check Move Through Furniture, and check Move Through Users. These settings ensure a smooth, unobstructed teleport every time. Click Ready. And there you have it, a fully functional two-part BOP stack. You can replicate the second stack multiple times with different keywords and destination furniture to create a versatile room management system. Thank you for tuning in. Happy wiring, and we'll see you in the hotel.